सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई।
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा।
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम।
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
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 मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम।
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा।
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई। सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा,
सत्य साई देवा,
सत्य साई देवा,
सत्य साई देवा
सत्य साई देवा
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध और नानक
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध नानक
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध और नानक
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध नानक
सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
राष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
राष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
राम भी तुम हो कृष्ण भी तुम हो
तुम हो कृष्ण भी तुम हो
राम भी तुम हो कृष्ण भी तुम हो
तुम हो कृष्ण भी तुम हो
विश्वरूप तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो साई विश्वरूप तुम हो सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा सत्य साई देवा अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध और नानक सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो राम भी तुम हो कृष्ण भी तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो साई विश्वरूप तुम हो सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा
Om Shri Sai Ram. I offer my most humble salutations at the divine lotus feet of our Mother Sai Ma. I sincerely thank all the dignitaries and all the participants for showing our interest in joining this program. Loving Sai Ram and good morning to everyone. Greetings for the day. First of all, we would like to convey our sincere apologies to each and every participant of the program. As we informed that the program will be in Zoom, and due to some technical issues with the account activation with the license, we have faced some technical issues and we are going with the different platform Microsoft Teams now. We have tried and sorted out the issue now, and we would like to thank all our district and state youth wing for encouraging and supporting us. I would like to state all the state offices, state officials under the guidance of Sri State President R. Lakshman Rao Garu and State Vice President Sri C.H. Surendra Garu and supporting. And also I would like to thank each and everyone for supporting us to extend this program. Loving Sai Ram. Good morning to everyone. As we know that this is the auspicious day to begin our Sri Sathya Sai skill development program on Python and data structures. We know that the long wait has been completed. Now, this is the auspicious day on the occasion of Mother Ishwaramma Day. I would like to thank one more time all the participants and the state and district coordinators for being part of this program. Now, we will welcome Swami by addressing with Omkaram and Ganapati Pradhana. I request organizing team to please proceed with. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.
गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनं प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजिनीवती धीनामभित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Thank you, Sister Renuka, for a blissful start. Now, we'll be having a talk by state and district coordinators related to the importance of this program and the welcome address for all the participants. Now, I will request Brother Ashwan Sai to take it forward. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sri Sai Ram. Thank you, Brother Akhil. I offered my humble pranams to Mother Saima. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce the state president of Sri Sathya Sai Seva Organization, Andhra Pradesh, Sri R. Lakshman Rao Garu, who started his career as Balavika student. The journey from Balavika student to state president is very inspiring for the youth. Now I request Sri R. Lakshman Rao Garu to speak and enlighten the participant.
Sai Ram. Om Sri Sai Ram. Pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba Varu. Greetings to all the participants and also blessings to all the participants. Today is very auspicious day for the devotees of Bhagavan Sathya Sai Baba Varu. Today we are celebrating in the entire world Ishwaramba Aradhana Mahotsavam. Ishwaramba prayed Bhagavan Sathya Sai Baba Varu for a small school in Prashantanilayam And Bhagavan Baba started a small school in Prashanti Nilayam, and now it improved as very a big university such as Institute of Higher Learning. Not only that, in entire world, education system is being organized in beautiful service methodology. Today, in Andhra Pradesh, skill development programs concerned, we have been conducting numerous activities for skill developments. For women empowerment, we have been organizing the fashion designing for women empowerment, and also Maggam work. Not only that, we are having permanent skill development centers in Andhra Pradesh. In that centers, we have been providing for youth skill development, that AC mechanism and electrical and plumbing. Not only that, various computer languages also. Today, the youth wing of Sathya Seva Organization Andhra Pradesh is now praying to Bhagavan to empower all the youth for skill development. Bhagavan emphasizes that knowledge is power. But as far India concerned, 60% of youth are suffering lack of knowledge and skills. Bhagavan told, knowledge should be skilled. Knowledge should not killed. And by skilling the knowledge, we can get balance in our life. When the knowledge is skilled, the persons will get balance. And after that, they will get beautiful insight in their life. What is insight? Due to knowledge, ultimately enable everyone to enjoy inner peace, notwithstanding the stresses and strains, the frustrations and sorrows, the defeats and the success, the ups and downs of life. That is the balance. That is the insight. I am praying Bhagavan Sathya Baba Varu through this program, the youth, those who are participating in this program, praying Bhagavan to bless each participant with good skills. After that, they might get balance in their life, and also insight in their lives. And in this program, our state skill development program, Sri Nagaprasad Garis are there, and also our Vice President Surendra also there. I request all the team members, organizing members, kindly take it to the challenge to get the program success, and hundreds of youth will get good knowledge, skills, and insights through this program. All the best to all the participants, and also I am very much thankful for the organizing team. Not only that, the instructors who are paying their valuable time for imparting beautiful knowledge and skills to the youths of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you one and all. Jai Sai Ram.
Thank you, sir, for the precious words as you began with the inauguration. Now, without any further delay, let us coordinate and invite District President, Sri Sathya Seva Organization, Prakasam District, T. Ramireddy Garu, to honor the presence.
ఓం శ్రీ సాయిరామ్. అధ్యక్షులు రఘుపాత్రుని లక్ష్మణరావు గారికి, ఉపాధ్యక్షులు సురేంద్ర గారికి, స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్ నాగప్రసాద్ గారికి, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూత్ ఏపీ అందరికీ ప్రణామాలు. ఈ ఫైథాన్ ప్రోగ్రాం చక్కగా మోల్డ్ చేసి చాలా కష్టపడి అందరికీ అందియాలనే ఆశయంతో ముందుకొచ్చారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమము విజయవంతం కావాలని, చక్కగా ఇంకా ముందు ముందు ఎన్నో ప్రోగ్రాం చేయాలని కోరుకుంటూ స్వామివారి చల్లని దీవెనలు అందరి పైన ఉండాలని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాం. సాయిరామ్.
Thank you, sir, for your honor. Now, the important step that will add the bonus to our inauguration function is welcoming the state youth coordinator, both Mahila and Gent. Now, I request Sister Snehalata, followed by Brother Sai Pradeep, to take the opportunity to welcome all the participants.
Om Sri Sai Ram. My humble salutations at the divine lotus feet, and a hearty Sai Ram to our state president, Sri Lakshman Rao Garu, state vice president, Sri Surendra Garu, and skill development in charges, Sri Nagaprasad Garu and Srimati Ammaji Garu, and to all the DPs and all the participants here. It is a good opportunity that we started this program on this auspicious day. Today, many Balavikas students are celebrating Ishwaramma Day at their Balavika centers, at their samitis. Swami has blessed us with such a good opportunity to start our program on this auspicious day. It is a blessing from Swami that we are organizing this Python program, training program in an online mode to reach so many people as we can. So I request each and every participant to maintain consistency in their attendance, punctuality, regularity, so that they can avail the benefits from this program. I pray Swami to give us the strength to run this program and to rearrange so many programs for the empowerment of youth, not only in the state of Andhra Pradesh, but also all over India. I came to know so many people outside Andhra Pradesh also registered to this program and are being participants in this. So I wish you all the best, and I request you once again to maintain the consistency and punctuality. Why? Because it is very much important. If you miss one session, it will disturb your next class also. So please maintain that regular attendance and please join 5 minutes before the program scheduled time. I pray Swami for giving us such a wonderful opportunity, and I thank everyone for this. Sai Ram, Jai Sai Ram.
Om Shri Sai Ram, loving Sai Ram to one and all. Pranams at my pranams at Divine Lotus Feet of Swami. A warm welcome to each and everyone. Sai Ram to our State President Sri R. Lakshman Rao Garu, our State Vice President Surendra Brother, and our State Skill Development in Charge Nagaprasad Garu, Sister Snehalata, and other state officials who are available in the call. And greetings for all the participants and the technical team who has taken this initiative to come forward on this divine day, Ishwarama Day. I congratulate all the participants to joining for this occasion, and looking forward that Sister Snehalata said this is an important opportunity you have been taken up. So kindly use this opportunity to mold your skills. As our state president said, skills are very much important for our youth to develop ourselves, to build our career. So I wish each and every participant to consistently maintain your attendance. I would like to mention that the faculty which you have been provided is very much interesting. He spoke very, he teaches very well, he interacts with each and every participant. We have been interacting with him. You'll enjoy the session with participant Hem Kumar. Thank you one and all for this opportunity. I think Swami blessings with all of us to continue this program very well, and we'll meet back all you we'll meet you all on the other sessions. If possible, time consists is an introduction session. So we'll move forward for the next coming sessions. We'll interact with you. Thank you, Sai Ram.
Thank you, sister and brother, for the booster welcome to all the participants. I know that you all are waiting for heads up what is skill development. To get it clarified, I would like to request Sister Ammaji and Brother Nagprasad Garu, the State Skill Development Coordinator, Mahila and Gents, to give the short summary of the event. Handing over to you.
Sairam. Okay.
Sairam, start James.
request if you are speaking, kindly you're on mute. Please turn on the mic.
Sairam, sir. Sairam to everyone. With Bhagwan immense grace and blessing, this online training program will add excellent value to the participant career growth. All the best to the youth who is participating in the program. Thank you, Sairam.
నాగప్రసాద్ గారు మీరు మాట్లాడండి సార్. నాగప్రసాద్.
Sairam, sir. Sairam, sir. Sairam. My humble pranams to our beloved Swami on this auspicious day of Ishwarama Day. On this auspicious day, it is very fortunate to inaugurate this valuable program with the golden hands of Sri Raghupatran Lakshman Rao Garu, our state president, Sri Sathya Seva Organizations, Andhra Pradesh. Sairam, sir. And also welcome to all the trainees and also my affectionate Sairams to Sri Surendra Garu, Vice President, Sri District President, Ramireddy Garu, Nehalata, Pradeep, Ammaji Garu, and also team members, Akhil, Vinesh, and also other team members for this inauguration session. At the first outset, I want to enlighten what is skill development and also what is the need in our successful organization regarding the skill development. All know, love all, serve all, as per the sayings of the our Bhagavan Baba, and also as per his sayings, our Central Trust and also Sri Sathya Seva Organization All India has taken as an initiative in 2014 as a national initiative to develop this skill development in our India and also abroad. Because now 63% of the youth is commanding in the India, and also how they will get the jobs and how they will come and how they will get the livelihood. For this, as per the sayings of the Swami, our national as a national initiative, we took this project in 2014. The main objectives of our skill development program, as per the Swami's sayings, to train unemployed youth in multi skills, to help the trained youth to set up service centers, enabling them to gain economic independence, and also to avert migration to towns and cities, and also to inculcate ethics and values in youth is the most important thing to rise the ethics and values apart from the skill development in our this one as a national initiative. As per this national initiative, our APC Sathya Seva Organization has started the first. This is previously known as Rural Vocational Training Center, firstly started in Tadipatri with the golden hands of Sri Ratnakarji on 20th November 2014. Because this, I want to say some few lines about this skill development center that is previously RVTC in Tadipatri. You know all, my dear trainees and also distinguished guests, you know all that Microsoft Teams we are running, that Microsoft team head is CEO is Satya Nadella. I am repeating, Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. When Central Trust has written a mail regarding this skill development centers and also skill development programs in our Sathya Trust, to the Satya Nadella, then he asked, then he requested us, why don't you start in Tadipatri, a skill development center, because that is my native place. Then Central Trust immediately accepted to start a skill development center in Tadipatri. That is the first skill development center in Tadipatri in 2014, which was already I told you, which was inaugurated by our Sri Ratnakarji on 20th November 14. For this noble cause, Sathya Trust will not ask any pay from art. There is no only at all. But Sri Satya Nadella sent 75 lakhs as a corpus fund for this noble cause, and we deposited this amount in the Canara Bank, Hyderabad, and on as a corpus fund, and all this interest, we are running so many development programs, youth development programs, youth skill development programs in Tadipatri. And also, very soon, by the grace of Swami, next month, maybe the Permanent Skills Center Development Center will be inaugurated at Tadipatri at a cost of 2 to 3 crores. Yes, sir. That is, I'm repeating, a very beautiful skill development, permanent skill development center will be inaugurated in the month of next month. And also, what our SPC is saying exactly correct knowledge, and also we have to develop our skills apart from the education. Though we are having 100% educational qualities, skill is also important. That's why skill. As per the AP in skill development activities, we are doing so many activities for Mahilas also, particularly in the rural areas. We are going to rural areas and bringing them to the skill development community center, and we are doing 40 days permanent training for them, like tailoring and fashion designing, Magam Jardosi, tally with GST, like that, and also for gents, cell phone repairing, PC hardware with chip level technology, tally with GST, and also other so many software programs like this giant software program which was brought by our Prakasam district youth. Very much we are going, sir. And also our Ahmed Kumar, which is the key person behind this program. And also I pray the Swami to shower I pray Swami to shower his blessings on this program. Thank you, Sairam, and also thanks to all Sairam. Namaste.
Thank you, sister and brother, for the letting us know the value of skill development. Last but not least, the key person of Sri Sathya Sai Skill Development Program on Python and data structure online, Mr. Hemant Kumar, the trainer for next 41 days. Request brother T. Hemant Kumar to share the program schedule and rules regulation. Thank you.
Sairam, we humbly and devotedly offer our greetings to the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba Varu. Then I would like to express my greetings to the dignitaries and loved ones. I would like to take a couple of minutes to express my gratitude to the motherland. Andarki Sairam. ముందుగా ఈ మాటలు నా చేత పలికిస్తున్న భగవాన్ శ్రీ సత్యసాయి బాబా వారి పాద పద్మాలకు ప్రణమిల్లుతూ నాకు జన్మించినటువంటి తల్లిదండ్రులకు మరియు జ్ఞానబోధన చేసిన గురువర్యులకు నమస్కరిస్తూ ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో విచ్చేసినటువంటి స్టేట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారికి, స్టేట్ వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారికి, స్టేట్ స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ కోఆర్డినేటర్ గారికి, టెక్నికల్ కోఆర్డినేటర్, జిల్లా అధ్యక్షులు మరియు ముఖ్య అతిథులందరికీ పేరు పేరున నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు. విద్యార్థులందరికీ నా శుభాభివందనాలు. గ్రామాలు దేశానికి పట్టుకొమ్మలు, పల్లెల పురోగతితోనే దేశాభివృద్ధి సాధ్యం. అలాంటి గ్రామాల్లో యువత నిరాశలు కొట్టుమిట్టాడుతున్నది. పట్టణాలతో పోలిస్తే పల్లెల్లో వ్యక్తిగత నైపుణ్యం తక్కువే. వారిని ఆ దిశగా ప్రోత్సహించడమే లక్ష్యంగా భగవాన్ శ్రీ సత్యసాయి బాబా వారి దివ్య ఆశీస్సులతో వారు చూపిన మార్గంలో ప్రకాశం జిల్లా శ్రీ సత్యసాయి సేవా సంస్థ యువ విభాగం మరో ముందడుగు వేసింది. ఏదైనా సాధించగల సత్తా యువత సొంతం. కావాల్సిందల్లా కాస్తంత ప్రోత్సాహం. ఈ సహకారాన్ని అందిస్తుంది ఈ నైపుణ్యాభివృద్ధి సంస్థ. ప్రపంచ వ్యాప్తంగా కాసుల వర్షం కురిపిస్తున్న వేళ రకరకాల ఐటీ కోర్సుల్లో జాతీయ శిక్షణను అందిస్తూ నాణ్యమైన ఐటీ రూపకర్తగా తీర్చిదిద్దటమే లక్ష్యంగా ప్రణాళికను రచిస్తుంది. యువత అంటే ఇంజనీర్లు, డాక్టర్లు, ఐఏఎస్ ఆఫీసర్లు కాదు. వారు జాతి నిర్మాతలు, భవిష్యత్ తరాలకు నాయకులు, అంతులేని ఆత్మవిశ్వాసానికి వారధులు. అలాంటి యువత సరైన మార్గనిర్దేశం లేక దారి తప్పుతుంది, ఊహించని సమస్యల్లో చిక్కుకుంటుంది. ఇలాంటి ఈ పరిస్థితుల్లో కొండంత అండగా నిలుస్తుంది సాయి సేవా సంస్థ. యువత ఎంత ఆసక్తి చూపిస్తే అంత ప్రోత్సాహం అందించేందుకు సత్యసాయి నైపుణ్యాభివృద్ధి సంస్థ ముందుంటుందని ఆకాంక్షిస్తూ నాకు ఈ ఆలోచన రావటం, ఆ ఆలోచనని మావయ్యతో పంచుకోవడం, అందుకు సంబంధించిన ఏర్పాట్లు చకచకా జరుగుతూ వచ్చాయి. చివరిగా మన యువతకు నా మనవి, నేను అందించే ఈ సాంకేతికత విద్యను బోధించడం ద్వారా ఈ వందలాది యువత సాంకేతిక సేవకులుగా పేదవారి ఇంట జ్ఞాన జ్యోతిని వెలిగించాలని మనసారా కోరుకుంటూ నా ప్రసంగాన్ని ముగిస్తూ ఆ బాబా వారికి మరోసారి పాద పద్మాలకు ప్రణమిల్లుతూ కోర్సు వివరాలను మీ ముందుకు తీసుకొస్తున్నాను. సాయిరాం. Here guys, nice to see you all here in this program. Now I am sharing my screen to discuss course outcomes and about ourselves. Okay, give me a moment, I am sharing my screen. Yeah, first of all, we need to discuss total number of classes here. Everybody asking about the number of classes, number of coursework we are going to discuss, and all these things regarding the Python and data structures. So first of all, we need to discuss total number of topics we are going to be cover and total number of classes as well as exams and a hands-on project. I want to show you maybe in the end of the course, maybe. Okay. Coming to the classes, total classes we are going to discuss here is total approximately 40 classes. This is an approximate. And total number of exams we are going to conduct, total 6 exams. Hopefully on every 3 chapters, we have a single exam on 3 chapters. Yeah, every 3 chapters, we have a single exam. And we have hands-on project 1. And the course may start from May 06 to June 12th. That is 2023. Yeah, part of this coursework, I want to cover Python as well as data structures. I will let you share another screen for you. Guys, give me a moment. I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, here, this is the inauguration day. As an inauguration part of the day, we discussed so far all the dignitaries. We discussed what are the modules and what is the importance of this Python course. In coming to the next topic, this is my intro. I am a Hemant Kumar, a graduate student with a Master of Science in Computer Science. Throughout my academic year, I am developing a passion for cloud, that is AWS especially, and DevOps, data science related technologies, which help me to lead a successful journey so far. And coming part also, maybe hopefully. As a graduate student, I have gaining valuable experience in machine learning, natural language processing, cloud technology, and different areas regarding related to those research projects. Actually, I conducted a couple of research projects on machine learning, sentimental analysis, and NLP. As a passionate learner and driven individual, I am excited to pursue my career in related cloud technology. And you guys, do you have any questions and concerns? I am happy to invite you to discuss all the questions what you have in this during this coursework, entire 41 days. And these are the different types of projects I have conducted, and I have experience on these projects actually. First one is Twitter movie dataset. That is, here I can show you. This is movie tweets review analysis using machine learning, and these are the course outcomes what we have done in this project. And similar to the database projects, and this is an automata project actually. This is regarding related to the English language. We can give a input to the machine as I need a car, then it can reply it's a correct sentence or not. So that is the way we conducted a project on travel management system using NLP. And coming to these two topics, these two topics are paper research actually. This is a paper survey which we are conducted last year. I think, yeah, last year we conducted in during my master's degree. And these are the skill set I have so far. Amazon Web Services, Python, C, C++. These are the Python modules actually you are going to learn in our upcoming classes. And this is as infrastructure as a code, that is cloud formation, CloudWatch, IAM. This too belongs to AWS category security actually, cloud category. Yeah. And web development, these are the different topics: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I have so far experience on these skill sets. And then projects, coming to the projects, actually I discussed about before this slide what projects I have so far done. And this is the current project I am working on, e-Seva service system. Outcomes of the Python. What are the advantages of Python? Actually, there is a lot of advantages on Python. Today, hopefully 90% of the world is running on this Python, using Python modules and Python coding actually, we can say. Different advantages, like, if you take a web development, in the web development we use a Flask modules and different modules, Django, to develop a web development, to integrate a HTML, CSS, JavaScript. By using these three languages, we can develop one web page. By using the web page, we can integrate the backend, that is database. So that is the main advantage of Python. Coming to the machine learning and artificial intelligence, in before slides I have discussed which projects I have worked using this machine learning and in artificial intelligence using Python. And coming to the desktop GUIs, what is a GUI? GUI is an graphical user interface. We can develop multiple desktop GUIs within fraction of seconds to minutes. That is the power of Python. And coming to the web scraping, guys, most of the guys, today we have getting a lot of data sets to train the machine. All these data sets, some of the data sets we are taking from the web scraping, using web scraping. And coming to the data science and visualization. So if you take a website, if you take a stock market, we have a number of graphs, pie chart, bar graph, different categories. To say in a simplest way, this is the sales and this is the production. All this combined together, we show it in a graph. That is the data visualization. And this is the Python roadmap, which we are going to be discussing in our total 41 classes, including data structures. This covers only Python roadmap, and data structures is different from that. I will let you know the data structures course module as well soon. First step, learn the basic syntax, variables, data types, conditionals. All these steps we are going to maybe first 2 weeks we are going to achieve this one, step 1. Step 2 maybe 3rd week, step 3 4th week, and 4 5th week. And related to all 4 steps, we can develop 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Without 1 to 4 steps, we can go for further 5 to 8 steps. So I can teach you 20 to 30%. You need to practice 70%. Why? Because Python is related to the coding language. It should be on coding and logical. So you need to develop your logical minds to develop a good programmer. You need to work hard to achieve your goal. I can help you. Come with any question, I can help you and I can teach you in better way. Yeah, this is the course we are going to cover. And give me a moment, I can share one more screen. Yes. Yeah, this is the Python programming outcomes. Yesterday, a couple of members we discussed what are the outcomes and how many modules we are going to discuss, all those stuff. This is the answer here. First one, understand the basics of programming. Students should be able to understand programming concepts such as variables, data types, conditional statements, functions, and modules. Without using all these 5 modules, you cannot develop. You cannot go even programmer. You need to do all these modules. This is the first step, and this is the second step. Write a simple Python programs. Students should be able to write simple Python programs to solve problems, manipulate data, and create basic applications. Yes, when you guys are perfect in this step, then it may be easy. You can understand what is going on the program. You can, if you take a simple example, hello world, print. What is a print? That is a function. In this similar way, you want to learn. You want to learn all these variables, data types, conditional statements, loops, functions, and modules. If you learn this, coding will be easy. And coming to the next step, understand control structures. Control, for loops, if statements, while, do while, all this stuff comes under these control statements. We can learn this in our course outcomes. And understanding the functions. Students should be able to write and use functions to break up code into reusable pieces and reduce code duplication. Like, if you make one big problem into subparts, the different machines can run on different parts so that the task becomes very easy. This is a distributed system. Actually, it comes under the task may be simple and very easy to learn the things. And understand functions. What are the functions we are going to learn? Students should be able to write and use functions to break up code into reusable pieces and reduce code duplication. Yes. Understand basic data structures. What are the basic data structures? Here we are going to accommodate you list, tuple, and dictionaries. Don't worry, guys. Data structures, we have a separate topic over here. We can discuss in detail about data structures, searching, sorting, tree, graph, all this stuff we are going to discuss in data structure concepts. Don't worry there. And understanding the file input output. Students should be able to read and write files using Python. You can read the file, how to read, how to write, how do we work on CSV files, how we can work on Excel files, all this stuff we are going to discuss. And understand debugging and testing. If we executing a program, how it is going to be executed and how it is going to be compiled, what are the things going to be do there, we can see coming modules. And understand the Python standard library. So students should be familiar with the Python standard library and be able to use modules such as math, data time, random. We have matplotlib, we have numpy, and all this stuff. There we can discuss at the last of the classes. Then coming to the data structures, we have different data structures, concepts over we cover in this 41 days. We usually cover arrays, linked lists, stack, queues, trees, and graphs, searchings and sortings as well. Coming to the next point, understanding algorithmic complexity. Students should be able to analyze the time and space complexity of algorithms and understand the big O notation. We have different notations. We can cover due to time limit, we can cover big O notation. If time permits, we can discuss others also, no issues. Implement data structures in Python. How we are going to implement data structures in Python? Students should be able to implement various data structures in Python and use them to solve. So what are the different data structures we are going to implement in Python? In previous, I have said dictionaries. Here let me show you list, tuple, and dictionaries. These are the data structures we are going to discuss once again in data structures class as well. And coming to the understand basic searching and sorting algorithms. Students should be able to understand and implement basic searching and sorting algorithms such as linear search, binary search, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, mid sort, and quick sort. And then understand dynamic programming. Students should be able to understand and implement dynamic programming algorithms to solve complex problems. There are different types of dynamic problems. I will let you know during this module. When we start the class, before the class starts, I will let you know what are the dynamic programming and what are the topics we are going to cover under this dynamic programming. And then understand hash tables. Students should be able to understand hash tables and implement them in Python. What is hash table and how we are going to implement hash table, how it is used in the real-time scenarios we can discuss in the coursework. Understand trees and graphs. Like guys, most of the people, trees and graphs are the very delicate and very important topic in the data structures. Without trees and graphs, we can't do anything. So students should be able to understand the basic concepts of trees and graphs and implement them in Python. How we are going to implement them in Python also we will discuss it later. And coming to the recursion, students should be able to understand and implement recursive algorithms to solve problem. Yeah, these are the outcomes for data structures as well as Python. If you have any doubts, you can ping in chat box or you can message in WhatsApp. I can available throughout the day so that we can discuss all the questionnaires. Thank you. And coming to the rules and regulations, I will share you what are the different rules and regulations we are going to implement. Yes, here it is. Guys, you need to follow strictly the rules and regulations related to the coursework. The immediate action will be taken if you misuse this coursework. It's a sincere request. Why? Because this is a the persons who are willing to learn, who are going to learn the Python course, they want to achieve their goals. So no disturbances we encourage in during this 41 days coursework. First one, read the rules and regulations carefully before enrolling in the program to understand the eligibility requirements, academic standards, and other expectations. Second one, ensure that you have the necessary technical requirements such as a computer, stable internet connection, and required software before starting the program. And dedicated sufficient time and effort to the program to cover all the 31 topics related to Python and data structures and complete the project if assigned. Actually, in our course, we don't have a project. I can show you the demo project and 6 exams within the given timeline. Attendance in lecture and online forums may be mandatory for all the participants in the program. Participants may be required to attend a certain percentage of lectures or online forms to be eligible for certification. And most of you guys are you team providing a certification? These are the core questions you are raising. You need to maintain optimum attendance as well as optimum marks in your examinations. That is the minimum eligible criteria to gain a certificate or other recognition at the end of the course. And regular monitoring may be conducted on each participant. Guys, please note it down. Regular monitoring may be conducted on each participant in the program to evaluate their daily performance. We can take attendance daily. This may involve tracking their progress on assignments, exams, and the project, as well as monitoring their attendance and participation in lectures and online forums. You stay motivated and committed to your learning journey and celebrate your success and achievements along the way. And attend lectures, participate in online forums or discussion boards, and seek help from instructors or peers to clarify your doubts, any doubts, that is technical doubts or subject related doubts, and improve your understanding of the course material. And prepare for exams by reviewing the course material and practicing with sample questions and seeking help if needed. Seek feedback on your performance in exams and the project and use it to improve your understanding and skills. Work on the project. Actually, we don't have project, so we can neglect this point. No worry. If you are struggling with the course material or project or exams, seek guidance or support from instructors or peers to address your challenges. Participants may be awarded with certifications or other recognition from the program upon, please note it down, upon successful completion of the coursework. It includes exams, your class attendance, and everything. These certifications may be serve as evidence of the participants' knowledge and skills in Python and data structures, and may be valuable for professional or academic purposes. Maintain academic integrity and adhere to ethical principles, such as avoiding plagiarism or cheating. If you keep an exam, keep it in mind. If we going to keep an exam, you need to perform your own answers. Don't plag it. We can check plagiarism. If anyone comes with plagiarism, then you are going to remove from the coursework, total coursework, not for the exam. Please keep it in mind. Or cheating. Respecting fellow participants and complying with the program's code of conduct. Participants may list down any questions or concerns they have during the course and bring them up in the last 10 minutes of each day's class. As we know, there are hundreds of people. If they are start asking the doubts from first minute to last minute, then there is no chance to discuss the topics and class. So you guys please remember and please focus on the questionnaires which you got during the practice times, and ask first 10 minutes or last 10 minutes during the classwork to clarify their doubts and seek guidance from the instructors or peers. At the beginning of each day's class, participants may have a chance to discuss any doubts or questions related to the coursework. This will provide an opportunity for participants to clarify their doubts and seek guidance from instructors or peers or before the lecture begins. And I will share you the entire coursework, how we are going to plan for 41 days. Give me a moment. Yes, it is. Yeah, it is going to be conducted around May 6th to June 12th. It may be take 1 or 2 days, maybe less than 1 or 2 days, or more than 1 or 2 days, approximate time that is. Topics to be covered: Python with data structures, and total classes is 41, exams total 6, hands-on project 1. Today is inauguration day, so we can discuss from 7th. Python introduction, features, history, applications, install, and example. Variables, data types, keywords on 8th. And coming to the 9th, Python literals, Python operators, comments, if-else statements. And then we have an examination based on this 3 days coursework. Based on this 3 days coursework, we have an exam on May 10th. And coming to the May 11th, Python for loop, while loops, Python break, continue, and Saturdays we have a holidays, and Python pass, Python strings, and we have an exam on all this stuff. See, on May 11th class, 12th class, and 14th class, we have an exam on 15th. And then coming to this, all this regarding to the data structures, concepts, arrays, their implementation, and stack implementation. May 17th, difference between queue and arrays. What is a queue and what is the array, and what are the difference between them? We can discuss in 17th class, May 17th class. Coming to the 18th, we have list comprehensions, tuples, list versus this is Python. Actually, this is data structures. This also coming to the data structures concepts actually, but it's majorly seen in Python coursework. And then 21, we have an examination. And in the list, we cover single, double, circular list and their implementation. 24th, on 24th, we have Python functions, built-in functions. On 25th, we have Python Lambda functions. On 26th, we can work on files input, output files. We have an exam on 28th May. And this is linear search and binary search. For each day, we are selecting two such algorithms and their implementations as well. Linear search and binary search and their implementation. And May 30, we have bubble sort, selection sort, and implementation. We have then insertion sort, merge, queue, and their implementation. Coming to the June 1, linear search, binary search, and their implementation. June 2, we have BFS and DFS and hash table. Please note it down, guys. Here, if time permits, I can do implementation there. If time not permits, we can accommodate somewhere during end of the coursework. After the completion of the total coursework, we can implement BFS and DFS and hash table also. And fourth, Python modules, exceptions, reading and writing the CSV files, how the Python program we can write to read the CSV file as well as to write the contents in the CSV file. That is the last. And June 5th, we have an examination. Yes, then June 6th, we have dynamic programming problems and their implementation. And trees, and 7th, trees and their implementation, finally graphs. At the last class, we have a final question and answer session. On the class, you can ask a number of questions. The session is made for the day totally for question and answers only. And we have final exam on June 11th. And coming to the June 12th, 2023, we have hands-on implementation project. It may take 1 hour to 2 hours. I can intimate you before the day. Don't worry, guys. And finally, there is a June 13, 2023 closing ceremony and certificates distribution. Yeah, this is the total entire course we have planned for the students and the participants, whatever maybe. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Thank you, Sairam.
Sairam, brother Hemant Kumar, thank you for your words. So, Sairam, everyone, I would like to share the experience of our trainer. So, brother Hemant Kumar, graduate research assistant in Texas A&M University Commerce, he conducted research on the performance analysis of machine learning algorithm and cloud platforms. So, brother, thank you very much for your initiative to provide training for the participants, and thanks for driving us on the overview of the course. So now I would like to inform all the participants the classes will be from May 7th evening 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. at Indian Standard Times. Okay, I repeat, the classes will be from May 7th 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. So we will share you the links to join the sessions. So we'll be opening the session 10 to 15 minutes before itself. And I would like to convey my sincere thanks to the state officials and each and every participant of the program who have joined here on your busy schedules. Let's conclude the session with Shanti Mantram. Om Sai Ram.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ता न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु 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 समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु
Sairam, thank you for joining.
Thank you each and everyone for your valuable time. Thank you the organizing team for a beautiful inauguration session. I request and I repeat for all the students, the classes will be continued from tomorrow. Please be active in the WhatsApp groups. I'm sincere thankful to all the state officials and all the dignitaries who have joined in this meeting in your busy schedule as well. Thanking you for showing your interest. Jai Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.